NayNaySquad, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this Frohawk, this natural Frohawk. Yes, it's frizzy and not defined. Usually I would probably wear a defined hair look, but this wasn't planned. This just happened. I'm starting to try to wear my natural hair more instead of just throwing it in a ponytail. But I did get inspired by this hair look by Van Lenore, and I will actually put her picture on the side right here. And I just love her. I look at her all the time. I love her natural hair, and I just love how she just rocks her natural hair. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep you guys so long, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and make sure you just leave natural hair hairstyle suggestions in my description box, and see you guys next time. So I'm starting off with taking down my braids, and then after I'm just fluffing my hair out. So now I am just going to brush the side of my hair using my edge booster and spraying some H2O on my side of my head, and then I'm going to bobby pin it down, no more than 4 to maybe 5 bobby pins. After I'm done with that, I'm just going to fluff out my hair, and I'm going to spray some H2O in my hair and using my Shea Moisture Curly Enchanting Smoothie and just putting it all through my hair. I was trying to curl the front of my hair with the Curly Enchanting Smoothie and it wasn't helping, so I was just like, forget it, and worked with it. Now I'm going to lay my edges with the edge booster. You guys should definitely try it. And then I'm just going to spray some water on my hair and then use my Redew just to penetrate the hair products in my hair. And thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Mwah.